Today, we're going to be looking at the saved generation section within the Systems Accelerator Manager. To access this section, navigate to the left-hand side of the menu and click the Generations tab to be redirected, and you will find the Save Generations section on the lower right-hand side of the screen. Once in this section, on the left-hand side, you will notice all of your saved generation templates listed by the title they were given when they were generated. On the top, you can search by that title, or on the right-hand side of this, you can sort by start or end date when these generations were created. Once you've selected the generation you wish to review, refine, or reuse, on the lower right-hand side of that generation preview, click the Load button to be migrated to the generation output area to begin. Thanks for watching. Let's make something exceptional together, and let's do it with Sam.